Welcome back to Cruising with Carla. On today's episode, we're going to be bracing our convertible Chevy Bel Air so that we can start on the metalwork. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
So today we're back at it. I'm super excited for this next part. I've been waiting for it for a while. And I got lucky. I found a couple bed railings for free on the internet. So I managed to get a couple of those. And I've been cutting them up so that I can use for bracing in the car. I also managed to buy some 1-inch square tubing, which is freaking heavy. But yeah, so this is also going to help me strengthen the body in that car and just make sure so that when I'm cutting the floor and the rockers, the thing doesn't go belly up. So that's the plan. And as you can see, my good old MIG welders out here. Now, I haven't used this in a while, so it's going to be a little bit of fun trying to get the settings back to the proper heat temperature and speed. So that'll be exciting. And I'll take you inside and I'll show you what my plan is. So my plan is ideally to create, I have two main beams going across here, which secure the car from that back seat armrest area towards the front of the pillars. And then my goal is to, with the bed railings, to weld from here to here, create a cross frame, and then to tack weld them in place across there and across the middle as well. And that should just add a little bit more strength to that structure in case if I do cut through the rocker panels and things start going wanky, and also to ensure that I have the correct measurements for when I do go back to weld the new floor and inner and outer rockers. So yeah, that's the game plan. So stay tuned and watch me work away. Cheers. All right. Let's get at her. Pitter patter. Okay, so that step is done. I am happy enough to get the braces on now. Okay, it is now time to see about getting this brace in place. So, wish me luck. This thing is heavy, so I'm gonna try my best. I may actually need a stool or something to help me out. Alright. So I put the safety piece on there. That thing ain't going nowhere this time. So let's try and tack this 1-inch square tubing again, and see what I can do here. Okay. Woo! Number 1 is done. Oh my God. Fun times. I'm sure after doing this for like, the entire floor and the quarters, I'll probably be exhausted, but the first part is always fun. That isn't going anywhere, guys. That's awesome. Okay, number 2. Now, I guess we'll probably go under I gotta find my piece. Okay, last push. I'm happy. Are you happy? Must be exhausted watching all of this happen. And although it may seem like it only happened in about maybe a couple of minutes, it actually takes quite some time. You know, you have to really think about where you're going to place specific things, where the points in the car that are structured, that are solid, so that when you put your beam across, it'll be a good solid spot for it to hold on to. And as you'll see later on, as I'm cutting the floor and the rockers, the body's not going to have as much structure in it, so therefore you want to have this good solid bracing in place. And this was something actually that my old mentor actually taught me, Ted. He's done many convertibles. I will introduce you guys to him eventually as we go through the process, but he's just vast amounts of knowledge, and he's done enough of these convertibles to know. And that was the one thing he told me. It's you make sure you brace it up really well. And even gave me some tips that I will give you guys later on as I'm doing the inner and outer rockers. So yeah, let's weld in this last piece. Down a little bit more on that edge. So I will do that now. All right, guys, so we finally got these bracing down the car. I think I'm pretty happy with it overall. And yeah, I'll give you a quick little look here of what that looks like. How do you turn this around? All right. So as you can see, there's a post at the front of the firewall where the front door post is, coming all the way to the back towards where the armrest for the back seat is. Across, the same on the other side. And then we have the two 1.5 inch square tubing going directly across and just creating another X for structure. All right, folks, so the braces are in place. We're ready to cut the inner and outer rockers and weld the new panels back into place. So stay tuned for more exciting videos to come.
Stay tuned for more of Cruising with Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.